0 Hour. Premiered 2004. True Dear Kiss. Premiered 2007. Dripping Over. Premiered 2006. The Monocled Mutineer. Premiered 1986. Our Mutual Friend. Our Mutual Friend. Luther. Jackanory. Premiered 1965. Fish. Premiered 1977. Agatha Christie's Marple. Premiered 2004. More Agatha Christie's Marple, 19 of 99. The best British detective series, ranked 6 of 26. The best movies based on Agatha Christie stories, 12 of 173. The best mystery TV shows. Hornblower. Premiered 1998. More Hornblower, 19 of 174. The best miniseries in TV history, 46 of 66. The best historical fiction TV show, 7 of 16. The best 1990s historical drama series. Doctor Who. Premiered 1963. More Doctor Who. The most messed up things the Doctor has done on Doctor Who, 49 of 249. The best BBC One shows, 24 of 73. Sci-fi shows you should be watching now. Collision.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.